Good morning, children. Let us come back. Let us continue today with the thought of the week. Never bend your head, always hold it high. Look the world straight in the eye. By Helen Keller. Today, 20th October, Tuesday. Let us begin our today's class. Now, we have started chapter 5 expansion formulae already. And now, in the last slide, we have seen practice set 5.3, question number 1 completed. Question number 2 we will start now. First sum, 2a plus b whole cube minus 2a minus b whole cube. Here we will use two expansion formulae, and on the basis of these two formulas we will solve this complete sum. Let us see. One by one, children, we will solve first bracket and then the second bracket. So first bracket expansion is 2a whole cube plus 3 into 2a square b plus 3 into 2a b square plus b cube minus, now the second bracket expansion, 2a whole cube minus 3 into 2a square b plus 3 into 2a into b square minus b cube. Now in the next step, what we'll do, first bracket we will keep as it is and we will remove the second expansions bracket and multiply each term with the minus sign. So first bracket as it is, and now here we have written minus 2a whole cube. Now this minus and this minus get plus into 3 into 2a square b. Now this my outside minus and inside plus will become minus 3 into 2a into b square, and outside minus is there and this minus they get multiplied and plus b cube. Okay, now we will see how many terms get cancelled. 2a whole cube minus 2a whole cube get cancelled. 3 into 2a b square minus 3 into 2a b square, that also cancelled. And what is left now? 3 into 2a square b and plus 3 into 2a square b. So 2a square means 4a square and 4 into 3 is 12. So 12a square into b. These two terms get added, and now b cube plus b cube, it will become 2b cube. So what will be the next answer? See, 24a square b plus 2b cube. In this way you will solve the first sum one by one by doing correct steps. Now do the second sum. Let us solve second sum. 3r minus 2k whole cube plus 3r plus 2k whole cube. Again here also we will use same expansion formulae. So one by one we will expand the first bracket and then the second bracket. So first expansion, 3r cube minus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square minus 2k whole cube plus, now the second bracket expansion, 3r cube plus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square plus 2k whole cube. Now let us see, first bracket terms we will write as it is and writing the answer. 3 cube is 27 r cube minus 3 into 3 square is 9 r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square means 4k square minus 2k whole cube means 8k whole cube plus, now 3r cube means again 27r cube plus 3 into 3 square is 9, so 9r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r, again 2k square means 4k square and 2k whole cube means 8k cube. Here how many terms get cancelled? See here, minus 3 into 9 into r square into 2k, these and this plus 3 into 9r square 2k, they get cancelled, and 4k cube 8k cube minus 8k cube and the last positive 8k cube, they get cancelled. And what we will write? 54r cube plus 36 rk square plus 36 rk square. So what is the answer? 54r cube plus 72 rk square. Okay, now we will start the next sum, that is sum number 3. So 4a minus 3 whole cube minus 4a plus 3 whole cube. Again use the same formula and we will solve this sum. So 4a minus 3 whole cube minus 4a plus 3 whole cube is equal to 4a whole cube minus 3 into 4a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 square minus 3 cube. This is the expansion of first bracket. Now minus second bracket. So second bracket term expansion is 4a whole cube plus 3 into 4a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 square plus 3 cube. This is the expansion of second bracket. Now open the bracket, this second bracket, and writing down the answer. So here 4a cube means 64a cube minus here 4 square is 16. 16 into this 3 into 3 is 9. So 16 into 9 is minus 144a square plus. Now here 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 square is 9. So 12 nines are 108 into a minus 3 cube means 27. Now we will remove the bracket and we will multiply each term with minus sign. So minus 64a cube, then minus 3 into 4 square is 16. So 16 into again this 3 into 3 is 9. So 16 nines are 144a square minus here 3 into 4 is 12 into 3 square is 9. 12 nines are 108 into a minus 108. Why minus 108? Because there is negative sign outside. Then plus 3 cube means minus sign multiplication with plus 3 cube, that is minus 27. Now what will get cancelled? 64a cube minus 64a cube get cancelled. Then 108a and minus 108a they get cancelled. And what is left? Minus 144a square, again minus 144a square. So it will become minus 288a square minus 27 and minus 27 will become minus 54. In this way we will have the answer minus 288a square minus 54. Now the next term, fourth sum. Okay, fourth sum 5x minus 7y whole cube plus 5x plus 7y whole cube. Here also we will use the same bracket, same formulas, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So let us solve this sum. Minus 5x minus 7y whole cube plus 5x plus 7y whole cube. Let us expand this first bracket and then the second bracket. So let us expand now. 5x whole cube minus 3 into 5x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square minus 7y whole cube. Up to here first bracket expansion. Now plus second bracket expansion, 5x whole cube plus 3 into 5x whole square into 7y plus 3x into 5x, 3 into 5x into 7y whole square plus 7y whole cube. The next step is now here writing down the answer. 5x whole cube means 125x cube minus 5 square is 25 and 25 into 3 into 7 is 21. So 25 into 21 is 525 x square y plus. Now 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 3 into 5 is 15. 49 into 15 is 735 and x into y square is xy square minus 7y whole cube means 343y cube plus here also 5x whole cube means 125x cube plus 3 into 7 is 21 and 5 square is 25. So 21 into 25 is 525 x square y plus 3 into 5x into 7 into 7. 7y whole square means 49 into 3 into 5 means 15. So 49 into 15 is 735 xy square plus 7y whole cube means 343y cube. So in this way which terms get cancelled now? Let us see. Here minus 525 x square y and plus 525 x square y get cancelled. Minus 343 y cube and plus 343 y cube they get cancelled And now which two terms are left? 125x cube plus 125x cube. It will become 250x cube plus, and here 735 plus 735xy whole square. So 1470xy square. In this way we have solved 4 sums of practice set 5.3 question number 2. In the next period we will see the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. Till then complete your work. Thank you.